In one journey, we are going to passes dozens waterfalls and tea states, 46 tunnels, 4 provinces. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do one of world's best scenic train ride. Among my train journeys, I have never seen such beautiful train ride. I'm looking forward to share my experience with you. Let's start our journey. Please stay till end for better experience. We have started our train journey from Colombo Fort Railway Station, and today tour end up with Ella Railway Station. Now you can see Seredial Rock, it also called as Utuan Kanda. Now we are at Sarasavi Uyana Railway Station. This is Peradeniya Railway Station. You can see Peradeniya University nearby. Peradeniya Railway Station. Now we are in Kandy City.
You don't want my heart, you don't want my love, you just want me crying over you. You don't want my heart, you don't want my love, you just want me crying over you. Thinking about you.
Now we are in Watawala. You can see Watawala City.
Hope you enjoyed with my travel video. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and support to grow my channel. Your support is big motivation to make better videos. We will see next travel video. Bye.